What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video on CCV. So right now we're sitting inside the Ford Mustang GT with the 5.0 liter V8, and it's a 2017 model with just around 50,000 miles on it. Beautiful car, black on black. Anyways, thank you for taking the time to click on this video. If you can, smash that like button if you enjoy watching the video after we get started here. But I'm going to take it for a quick drive, and then we'll be back in a moment for the review. So stay with us on CCV. All right, let's go ahead and crank her up. Definitely a manual transmission car. And what you're going to do on a 17 model Mustang is you're going to pull up on that, click over, and push up. Now we're in reverse. This one has just a small screen, but still does serve its purpose. And I'll do the best I can to take you on a quick test drive while filming with a manual transmission car. So, all right, here we go. Also, everything about this vehicle is stock. It has zero aftermarket parts on it. Clutch feels good. Put her in first. Let's go. Oh. Factory exhaust sounds really nice. Not too loud, just really the perfect tone. All right, let's hop out and take a look at her. Before we do though, let's take a look quickly here at the interior. Mileage on this car is just around 52,616. So pretty good on the mileage. Just a nice clean overall interior the way Ford makes it. This isn't like your fully decked out, top of the line version of a Mustang, but most importantly, it has the manual transmission and the 5.0 V8 under the hood. So that's two great perks for it. It doesn't have leather or anything, just cloth interior. But again, to each his own. Not everybody wants leather. And honestly, some folks might have opted in to get the cloth with the manual and the V8 and have it at a little bit better price range. But some folks really got to have leather interior. And so I understand, everybody is a little different when building their own car out, going to a Ford dealer and buying a Mustang and whatnot. But in this case, this is a pre-owned Mustang for sale right now. So I will briefly tell you what the price is and all shortly, but let's go ahead and just take a look at the exterior of it. She's in good shape, of course, all black. Headlights look good. Fog lights are working, as you can see. Just a standard set of wheels. Nothing extravagant, but they are nice looking wheels. General tires, which are brand new. Wheels look like 18s, but let me double check on that. Actually, yeah, they're a 235/50 on the tire with an 18-inch wheel. And I like the big 5.0 badge right there. It looks nice. You know, for the most part, this is a Ford Mustang, and it's got everything, like I said earlier, that you might want on a Mustang: a manual transmission and a 5-liter V8. That's really all you need. Of course, the dual out exhaust is nice as well, but this gets you right in the game of having a sports car and having one that actually still is pretty beefy on power. I mean, it'll get up and roll out and do what you need it to do. There's a little button right under here, and there's your backup camera. You got a rear deck lid spoiler, and here's the trunk space. Pretty decent sized trunk. You know, you can get your groceries in and all that. Back seats fold down as well. A lot of your Mustangs, Camaros, Challengers, they all have a pretty tight opening to get into the trunk. So a Camaro is actually tighter than this, because I think a Camaro doesn't even go down like that. It just kind of goes like that. I think the Challenger's probably got the most room as far as getting in and out of your trunk. But anyways, trunk space really probably isn't the big thing here. Like, hey, I gotta have a lot of trunk space, you know. But it is nice to have if you go shopping and this is your daily driver. At least you got a decent amount of room in the back, and the back seats fold down. It looks like, I don't know if this is a factory option here or not, but it looks like someone added that on, which doesn't look bad. You know, it kind of blacks out the window there, but looks pretty good. I like the tinted windows, and it does have a third brake light right at the top and all that. So there you go. That's your Mustang, right? Pretty simple and clean. Power windows, power door locks, and power seats, power mirrors. It does have a back seat. There you go. But it is kind of tight back there. And the interior, as you're seeing, is in good shape. That all looks really good. No rips, no tears. Again, it's a 17 model Mustang with 50,000 miles, basically. It should be in pretty nice condition. Like I said earlier, I mean, the dash, everything looks good. I mean, all the buttons, nothing's really worn out in here. You can still see the writing on everything. And everything looks still pretty new for the most part. We got books and manuals in the glove box and all that. So not a bad choice, you know. From what I remember when we first had this Mustang, which has been about a month now, I think this Mustang, and I'm pretty sure the price on it was right around $30,000. So yeah, that's what it would have costed you to buy this Mustang. The price may have dropped just a little, but you're more than welcome to go on the Southern Motor Company website, smccharleston.com, and look up the exact price on it. But I'm pretty sure it's $29,900. So 30 grand for a you know, Coyote, the Coyote motor. Anyways, let's go ahead and take it back down to the store. We do have a pretty decent selection right now of sports cars. We always keep a few sports cars at the store, but just to name a few, we have a Maserati, but it's a 4-door version, the Ghibli. I know it's not technically a sports car, but it's got a V6 twin turbo under the hood that gets up and goes, rear wheel drive, automatic. And it's really good looking, black on black. That's a 4-door, kind of a sporty car. Then we have a 1970s, or maybe, I don't know, I can't remember because I haven't filmed it yet, but we got a Buick GS, which is a Grand Sport from back in like the 1970s. And that will be quite a bit of money, probably $45,000 to $50,000 if you're looking for like a classic muscle car. We also have another favorite of mine, the 2020 Dodge Challenger wide body. We've had that one for quite a while as well, about the same amount of time as we've had this Mustang for. And the Dodge Challenger wide body is really sweet. It's red with black, and it's kind of like this because it has the cloth interior. So we have that, and there's a few others. I don't have all the sports cars parked out here on the lot right now. Most of them, excluding the Mustang, are over there in the shop, that kind of thing. But oh, let's not forget my most favorite sports car, which is a Japanese sports car that we have right now, which is a 2016 Nissan Gtr Premium package, 80,000 miles on it, black with the ivory leather interior. Beautiful car. Some of y'all that subscribe to Charleston Car Videos has seen it already. I posted a video about it last week, but if you want to check that out, I think that car is in the upper 70s. So we got a few, just to name a few. But and we always keep several other types of vehicles as well. So if you're ever in the Charleston area nearby, or maybe live in a state that's kind of close to South Carolina, and you're in the market for a car, don't hesitate to reach out to me. At the end of the day, that's what I'm out here doing, 8 to 10 hours a day, working at the car lot, selling cars, filming cars, and helping people get cars that they want. So thanks again. Have a great day. Please hit the subscribe. And if you can, if you're watching still up to this point, please hit the like button. That's so important. Facebook, or not Facebook, but YouTube really does. The algorithms pay attention to those like buttons. So if you can smash that like for me, please do that, and help support what I do a little bit. Thanks again, and have a great day.